Welcome, here I've got Huawei MatePad T8 and I'm gonna show how to activate audio control while using a camera app at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera here. And now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to move to more advanced settings, which are here in the right corner, and by tapping on this button we get access to it. And as you can see in the capture settings here, at the last position we have the audio control. So by tapping on this we can easily turn it on and off by using this button like that. And when we keep turning it on, we can pick from say cheese to take photos and speak loudly to take photos like that. We can move from this to this. So I'm going to stay on say cheese to take photos, and let's try to take a picture by using just one word without touching the screen. So cheese, and as you can see the picture was taken with just saying cheese. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.